first of all, let me tell you that you all have achieved everything. Believe me, this is just the starting of your career. Never in life think anything you achieved, is great something. The moment you think that you have achieved great, you will, start losing the balance, start losing contact with this, the ground level. And that will be, the down slope. Always think, I've joined MBBS, this is just my starting. Let me do the best, excel in it. I've cleared MBBS, let me join the best PG. I've cleared PG, let me join the best fellowship program. And after that also, now how best I can share my knowledge, I can help with my knowledge to the society.
Achieve this to each and everyone is the part of the parents. So this is the request to the student. They have to listen to their parents. But this is the first step in their journey. This is the start. This is not the end. As they grow, they should see the importance of the focused and positive mindset.
This day is not just a celebration of individual achievements, but also a reflection of incredible journey of our institution. What began as a single center in Margao in 2019 has now blossomed into a family of 3 centers at Margao, Porvorim, and Vasco, an integrated higher secondary school in collaboration with Maratha Shikshan Sanskriti Mandal, and an on-campus program with Damodar School, Margao. This is remarkable growth. It is a testament of our unwavering commitment to quality education, the hard work of our team members, and the trust placed in us by students and parents alike.